Hello students, welcome to one more session of your WOC. Today, Vani ma'am is at Bengaluru, Zoological Park. Today I'm going to show you the different views and beautiful pics which I've enjoyed with my family. So it's a wonderful place where I have to tell you, starting from the first animal where it was like a colorful thing with greenery, filled with different pics of different animals. This is a place where we have first visited. That was the giraffe. Then gradually we started taking the photos with my son. It was really fun. Then this is my daughter, together taken pics. And these are the reindeers where we have seen them, hippopotamus inside the water, enjoying the coolness. This is me standing giving a pose. Then comes our elephant. And this is the map of the whole Bannerghatta Zoo. And this is a Nilgai deer. Unacademy introduces UCL Grand Final, that is scheduled at 9 a.m. on November 25th. So this is a good news for you all students. Please participate. Let us see what does the UCL stand for. UCL stands for Unacademy Champions League. Basically here you will be attempting live exam, and along with that you'll be winning prizes and scholarships. It's a beautiful competition with the top educators setting the questions. So in this particular UCL Grand Final, which is scheduled, as I said, on 9 a.m. on November 25th, that is almost only 2-3 days are left for you all. Enroll for free, that is most important. You will be enrolling for free, and the first ranked student is going to win Unacademy NEET UG as well as scholarship amount worth 50,000. The second ranked student is going to win Unacademy NEET UG and scholarship with 30,000 prize money. Rank 3 is going to win again the Unacademy NEET UG subscription along with a scholarship amount of 30,000. Then comes your rank 4 to 10. They are going to win a cash prize of 25,000 along with NEET subscription, UG subscription as well as your scholarship amount. So please note the dates. That's on 25th November sharp at 9 a.m. So try to enroll today. That's for free, and the link is given in the description. Please go through the link. I wish you all would participate. All the best, students. Then these are the birds, colorful birds which we have seen. There were parrots, there were different birds with different filled colors. Then also there were crocodiles which are very lazy. We sat on that particular bench and I was watching. This is a pose given along with my daughter. What to do? It's pandemic time, right? And this is the bear which was enjoying. Then comes the monkey which was very active. These were the beautiful ostrich birds, and comes the hippopotamus which were lazy enough taking a dip in the water. There was a jackal which was seen very far through our zoom lens camera. I was really enjoying the trip, having different poses for at different places. And this is my family with my son and my daughter. And this is the cheetah where we were admiring, sitting and watching that. It was really fun standing behind the tree and watching those lazy crocodiles. I felt they were just statues, but they were really beautiful, enjoying their afternoon, lazy afternoon. Ostrich came very close to us giving a pose for the photo. And then it was almost 2 kilometers around where we were walking and enjoying each and every place. There were places where this is my son and my husband where we clicked photo together, and my daughter who is with me. Thank you so much for watching. This is me. Hope you've enjoyed the whole zoological park. This is Bannerghatta Zoological Park at Bengaluru, Nama Bengaluru, a Silicon Valley where the weather, the greenery and everything under the sky. Thank you so much, students, for watching my family and the zoo. Do visit this place. It's a beautiful place. Thank you once again.